My dear friends, it is too late. Please ask everyone to join. The number is very less. Am I audible to you? Am I audible? Am I audible? Please ask everyone to join us.
Yes, sir, audible.
Yes, sir, audible.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
We are very late already. Please ask everyone to join as early as possible because we cannot wait anymore. The number is very less. Dear friends, shall we begin? Shall we begin?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because as the day go by, the number is very less. I don't know why they have to be on. So I do understand some of them have exams. Okay, so we waited for enough and more time. We shall not wait for some the other time. We shall begin. Good morning, friends. I hope all of you have done well your exam. You have done well. Today we will just have the recap of that and we'll move on for today's demonstration. Today's demonstration is going to be on two things. One is badge design, t-shirt design, and flex banner. See the flex banner. 1 minute. The flex banner design somehow technically we couldn't make it, so we will also deal with that today. I suppose my screen is visible to you. Is my screen visible? Can someone? Is it visible? Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Now look at here. Today your performance, out of all, many of the 10 out of 10 scored by 32 people, and the lowest score is 2 marks scored by 1, secured by 1. Okay, we shall deal with the questions once again. Look at here. Which of the following has the hue saturation option? Actually, it is image. Look at here. I shall just take it to you. It is image adjustments. A layer also you have hue saturation option. Okay. Actually, we have to just go with image adjustments hue saturation. It is here. For example, see, it is here. Am I clear to you? So it's supposed to be imagement, right? If I've given layer also, I've given 1 mark. Best resolution for flex banner is? Can you answer me? Best resolution for flex banner is? Actually, it is 600 pixel. 600, yeah, you're right, 600 pixel. I think 83 of you have given right answer, 10 of you have given 100, and 23 of you have given 300. So totally 43 people have gone wrong. Now, which of the following is used to clone the selected portion? Clone stamp tool. Many of you have answered for that, and except a few, many of them have answered. This is the right answer. Which of the option to hide other than the selected area in a layer? Layer masking is the right one. Layer masking is the exact one. Okay, but some of you have chosen 4 and 2 and 4. Hiding and erasing, actually it's layer masking. It is obvious answer. Shortcut for inverse, it's Control Shift I. 74 of you have given right answer, and 34 of you have given Control I. Control Alt I is given by 6, and Control Shift Alt given by 2 people. The key used for selecting a simple sample source for healing brush option. Alt is the right answer. 97 of you have given right answer. Control is selected by 8, and the Shift is selected by 11 people. Okay. Shortcut for ruler. Obviously, it is Control R. Control R is the right answer. Many of you, majority of you have given the right answer. Few of you have given other options as well. Which of the following layer is not part of layer style? See, color overlay is there, pattern overlay is there, gradient overlay is there. Opacity overlay is not there. That is the right answer. But quite a few of you have given for other answers as well. Which of the following tool facilitates painting? It is actually smudge tool. Obviously, smudge tool. Right, 84. Many of you have given right answer. Some of you have given other answers too. What is the key used for duplicating a layer? Alt key. Alt key is used for duplicating a layer. I don't know why people have given control also. 38 people have given control. By pressing only Alt key, we are getting duplicate layer, right? Okay. Now, any other clarification with regard to the test? Any other clarification? Any other clarification with regard to the test? I suppose all of you are very clear with the answers that I have dealt with. Now, I'm moving on for the demonstration. Today, the first demonstration is on badge design. Am I audible to you? Can I tell me, is my voice clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now, have you just watched badges during the programs? Badges for the programs, they wear it in the chest. Badges, round shape, like bigger ones with colorful 2-3 circles. Have you seen? Have you all seen? Can I have your response?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, sir. We have.
Yeah. So we have to design that center part. The other portion is available, but the center portion we have to design. That's what I'm going to demonstrate today. And we are also going to deal with the t-shirt painting, right? Okay. Now, the center part of the badges. Now look at here. I'm going to give you badges for programs. See like this, no? See badges in stage programs. You don't get it exactly here. So it is not available in the internet. Let us decide. Now look at here. The size of the badge, the inside part, the round part. See, there are 2-3 circle, no? There are 2-3 circle will be there, and the center portion that we will have to paste it based on the program. That can be changed. We can, in a school or in a college or in other places, even political meetings, they wear the badges. Inside there will be a round where we paste the original design. The width is 3 inch and the height is 3 inch, 3 by 3, 3 by 3, 3 inch by 3 inch, and the resolution is supposed to be 300. You have to print this in sticker media. Please keep that in your mind. You have to print this in sticker media. Am I clear to you? You have to print this in sticker media. You have to tell the shopkeeper that it has to be printed in sticker media. It is enough that you give design and give one, and they will cut, they will arrange it, and they will cut it and give you it. Dyeing is there. Actually, they cut it in a round shape and they give you, okay, pieces, and you can take it and score off the sticky part, and you can paste it in the badges, right? See, I've got it. This is the area. Now what do? You have to take the circle elliptic tool, which is just below, arrow, pen tool, right? I just keep it in the corner. See here, I'm just dragging, fitting into all the sides. Am I clear to you? See, I've drawn around. Once again, I shall make it clear. See, I just take a circle, elliptics, and I have drawn. Am I clear? Right. Right now, I'm going to give an outer color, maybe color overlay. I'm using color overlay. I'm giving dark brown. I'm giving dark brown. Now, what do? I have to go for another round inside, right? One circle is there. So look at here. I'm going to take up the grid lines. See, I'm just pulling out a blue color line on the top of the ruler. I just make it as, see here, quarter to 1 inch. I'm taking quarter to 1 inch. See, every side I'm taking quarter to 1 inch, right? Look at there, 0.25 inch. This side also 0.25 inch, right? Now what do? I'm going to create another circle. Look at here. Or I shall take up one more circle by pressing Alt. See, I have taken one more circle. I just want to just go with some light color. Look at here, a light color, right? A light color. Okay, I have to fit this in this for see, put it here and put it this side, and am I clear to you? So here I have to go fit it in all the 4 sides. Am I clear to you? See, look at here. Am I clear to you? So I've just got it, right? If you want to more big in size, you can reduce it to half. See, for example, like this also half. Go here. It will be very, very big. It will be, right? And you can take up till this and till this. See, use the grid line, right? But here I can also take the shape right here, but it's quite huge size. Okay, but let us not go for that. Let us go for the old one, right? So this the inner part I have designed, right? Okay, fine. What is the center portion? If it is 3, what will be the center portion? 1.25. So I just put up a grid line here, center. And this side also I put up a center line. See here, for the center, right? Now what do? I want to put it as St. Joseph's College, Tiruchirappalli on the top, and bottom, maybe whatever program or anything can be put. Now what do? See here, I just choose. I'm typing St. Joseph's College in a capital letter. Listen carefully. I'm just increasing the size. Okay, I've got it. Right now, after selecting this, look at here. What do? I just click here. No, warp text. I just click here, press OK. Take the arc. See here, take the arc. Arc upper. Sorry, ordinary arc. Okay, ordinary arc. And look at here. I have given 100. I have given 100. And take that into the right portion. Now what do? See here, I just select it and just bring it here exactly. Now it will be okay. Am I clear to you? See, St. Joseph's College. I want to bring it as autonomous also, right? Comma, autonomous. Put Control T, and you have to fit it exactly. 1 minute. You have to fit this exactly. Control T. Keep it here on the top. Adjust a bit, then you'll be getting it, right? Okay. Now see, I have adjusted and put the text. Now I want to take it as in a light color. I want to go for yellow or white color. I want to go for yellow color. See, I fixed yellow color, right? Okay. Then I want to put up a star symbol here, both the sides. I go to shape, custom shape, and select a star. Maybe star looking like a star one. Which one shall we choose? Maybe this one. Shall I choose this flower? See, I'm just taking this flower. Right. Putting it here in the center portion. I just go layer, color overlay, white color. I make it white. I've given white color. And I copy the same by pressing Alt key and keeping it here. Okay. Now I want to bring it down. The St. Joseph's, see here, I just take it down. Sorry, taking a duplicate of the same. Go to the text and take this way. Minus 100. It was plus 100, no? I'm just making it minus 100. Okay. Now what do? I just type something here. Maybe annual day 2020-21, something like that. Or you can even go for something else, maybe NAC visit or whatever occasion. Maybe Holy Festival celebrations 2021. So something like that. You can give any text for that. Now inside, for example, if you are celebrating maybe some Holi or Pongal or whatever it may be, maybe the logo can be brought here. I just bring the logo of the college, or anything that you want to put it on that inside, right? See, it is a big logo. I'll have to make it very small and use it. So I am using it in the center exactly. See here, I've kept it in the center, and I'm going to type it here as maybe what occasion is this? Maybe chief guest or some, maybe chief guest. Chief guest. This batch is meant for the chief guest. You can pin it as chief guest. What event? Even I can go for gradient overlay. What occasion? Maybe Holy Festival. Holy Festival 2021. Am I clear? So like that. You see that design may be anything. The text that you use may be anything. You need not what I just give you exactly. But please follow the instructions of designs. Don't worry about the content. Content you will have to design, or the customer that whom give the order. Based on that you can design, right? Now you have designed it. It is designed. Everything is over. Now we have to save it in PSD file. See, I'm saving it in PSD file, badge 1, and you can also save it in JPEG file. JPEG. So give this to the shopkeeper or the printer. They will actually tile it in the printable shape, and you have to tell them that it has to be printed in sticker media, so that you can strip off and paste it wherever the badge in the badge in the center portion of the badge. You can paste this. Am I clear to you? In the center portion of the badge to be used for the programs, you can paste it. Right? It is to be printed in sticker media. Keep that in your mind. Now you can give them, and there is a dyeing machine. It will cut exactly in a circle shape. Am I clear to you? Now with this, any clarification? Can you do it on your own? Any clarification? Once again, I shall recap. See, you can type any text, and if you see, for example, I'm just typing Vimal Gerald. Okay. Now we want to curve it. Look at there on the top. While selecting it, you warp text is available. Create warp text. Click here and choose on the top one. Top one, right? See, you can make it. Am I clear to you? You can bend this. Am I clear? Whatever way you want, you can bend this. Right? Use it, and prepare. 1 minute. Kindly hold for a moment. I think there was a question how to type around the full circle, not just the arc. See, full circle. Why do you want to type the full circle? Full circle, you can type it. For example, look at here. It depends on the usage. See here only arc is available. Here you can go on type. Sorry. You can go on type fully, for example, like this. See, one half only you can type. Am I clear to you? One half only on the top portion. If you want to type fully, then you will have to go for full round. Here, the option for full round is not available. Only arc is available. Am I clear to you? See here. Okay, the other side you have to copy the same and put it as minus 100, plus 100 or minus 100, adjust it. For example, I want the Vimal Gerald to be down. Look at here. See, I brought it like this. You want to top, bottom. So you can copy it and type it, not the whole circle, but one half of the circle. Okay. Because full circle we don't write. We don't write in full circle. That is not the practice. We don't write it in full circle. Am I clear, ma'am? Am I clear, madam? Madam, am I clear? Yeah. Now, any other clarification? Any other clarification with badge design? Any other clarification? Any other clarification?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me, sister. Yes.
That circle, what you drew in the at first,
Yeah.
it just fit in that white column, the background.
Yes, sister. Yes,
so what
sister.
is that size we must take, sir?
3, sister. 3 into 3. Look at here. I shall do it once again. 3 into 3, sister.
Thank you, sir.
3.
Yeah.
With this 3 and the height is 3,
Yes.
the resolution is 300.
Yes,
Okay.
sir, thank you.
Now
Thank
take up this shape tool, elliptical shape. Keep it in the corner and draw, sister. Keep it in the corner and draw.
you.
See, you will have to fit it fully, touching upon all the sides. Right? I have drawn. Now what do? I just take up the lines. See here, grid lines to
Yes.
2.5 inches. See in all the sides.
Yes, sir.
And here also, this side also. See, at the bottom as well. Okay. Right. Take up the same circle and press Alt key, and you have another copy. Right? Change the color. Change the color into some light colors. That has to be brought inside. See, I have brought light color. Now what do? Reduce the size of it. Reduce the size, touching upon all these sides. For example, keep it in one corner, and it has to touch every line. See here.
Yes.
Clear? So inner circle is ready. So what do? We have to create the text and put it on the top. Just type the text here and take the center portion of the text. See, it has to come here. Now I type the text over here. Maybe St. Mary's Higher Secondary School. Okay, right. I want to take this in white color. Right, I've got it. Now go on the wrap text on the top and select the first one, arc. See, I've done it and it has gone to the entire. Now what do? You have to adjust it. Control T, press Control T and put it exactly here. Take it exactly inside. You adjust it a little bit. And bring it exactly to these sides. Okay. Right. I've got it. So likewise, at the bottom you design something. Put some designs in the center part. At the bottom you have to put something. Then the badge is ready. You have to give it as you have to give it to the printer to be printed in sticker media. So he will cut it and give you exactly. Okay, how many number of strip circles you want, he will print it and you can paste it in the badges, on the badges. Okay, sister?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Any other clarification? Any other clarification? Shall we move for the next one? Shall we move for the next one? Dear friends, shall we move for the next one? Dear friends, yeah. All of you are there? Hello? Can I get you? At least in the chat, only one or two are giving. Yeah, thank you.
Yes,
now,
yes.
T-shirt designing is another area which is very interesting. And you know, in colleges, schools, we go for designing T-shirts. Sometimes plain T-shirts with colors, sometimes with logos, sometimes for colleges with some nice, good designs. Youngsters they like, right? For festivals, programs, something like that. So look at here. How do we go for T-shirts? T-shirt designs. Look at here. Look at the T-shirts which has its design. See here. See the designs. T-shirt design is very, very simple. Look at here. Look at here. Very simple. T-shirt design for colleges. See here. See front and back, some logos or some designs, right? Okay. Now let us see how to design the logo, fitting the logo in the packet like this. See here, like this. Right now, it is enough that you design. That's all. For example, any logo that should be in a small one, not a bigger one. Bigger ones people do not like. Bigger one people do not like. For example, your design should fit in any size T-shirt. It depends on 28 to up to 45 or 42, 49, something like that. The sizes vary. So you need not bother about design of T-shirt, but the design that is to be pasted inside one of the places in the T-shirt. Right. In the front T-shirt, we'll have to go for making a logo. For example, 3 into 3. 3 into 3 size. 3 into 3 size, right? Sorry, this is in pixel, right? 3 inch, 3 inch and 300. Okay, right. Now I'm going to design the front logo that is to be put up in front of the T-shirt. Now I shall check it whether I have front design. Maybe logo. Okay, we have no logo of the design. Now I'm going to pick up one of the logos, right? One of the logos to be printed at the front, right? See here, I've taken it. This design I want it in the front. Take it fully and make sure the logos and all that it should look small. Okay, and at the bottom I just give it here as maybe Jesuits, Tamil Nadu Jesuits, Tamil Nadu Jesuits. Maybe a school name or a team name, whatever it may be, it can be put at the bottom. Now I just go for Tamil Nadu Jesuits, color overlay. Use the same color which you use. I've taken the same color. I'm just cutting the other unwanted portions of the shape. With the shift key, I'm just pressing and selecting all the other unwanted portions. I've deleted. I've got only the shape alone. Right. Okay. The front portion, I've got it ready. Now to have an idea about the t-shirt, I just take a real t-shirt. I just take a real t-shirt. T-shirt with the neck. Okay. Shall I take up this one? You can just change the color and see whether it fits. Yeah, I'm taking this one. Copy. This t-shirt size is very small. Very small. See here. I just go with a bigger one. Okay. This is also okay. Okay, right. I'm going to take this here inside, right? I go back to the design that we had. Right click, save as PNG or JPG. Anything you can have anything, or else what do you do? Before saving it, you can even drag it and bring it here. Yes, look at here. I'm just going to bring this. Oh, we have deleted that. I'm sorry. We have deleted that. 1 minute. I shall design it again. No problem. 3 into 3. 300 resolution. You don't need to keep it in the t-shirt. See, please understand, you don't need to keep it in the t-shirt. You give the design and they will just fit it into the t-shirt. Right now I just wanted to show you how does it look into the t-shirt, right? That is why I'm taking it there, right? I'm taking this again. Okay, I just okay. And at the bottom, typing it as Tamil Nadu Jesuits. I've given a thick font, the font that comes, right? Okay. Based on the color of the t-shirt, you will have to design. Okay, you will have to ask which color t-shirt they are using. So I'm just selecting layer 1 and the bottom characters. I just pull it here. See, it looks bigger, and I reduce it. Control T, using Control T. Once again, I shall tell you, you need not fit into the t-shirt, but you can just see how does it look like when it is pasted in the t-shirt. Am I clear to you? See, I have pasted. Am I clear to you? See, it looks better here. Okay. Now at the back, what is the design that you have to do? That you need to design. Am I clear to you? Once again, I shall make it clear. See, I've designed this, and you can reduce it and fit and see how it looks here. Am I clear to you? You can even make it a little more bigger. And people do not like if it is bigger. Okay, you'll have to make it smaller. So to fit here, you'll have to give. Am I clear to you? Just give it to them 3 into 3. They will fit it, right? This is at the front, and at the back is some funny designs. For example, you look at here, back of t-shirt. See, this is the back side of the t-shirt, or I can take up this one. See, I shall take up this one and show you. Copy image. Just to show you a model, I'm just taking this one, right? Now look at here. Am I clear to you? See, it looks bigger. I reduce it. Okay, I put it here. And at the back, how does it look? We shall go design. Now you will have to go for, the hip size supposed to be 40 or 39 or 28, whatever it may be, but you will have to you will have to make it. For example, I want to go for 10 inch or 8 inch, exactly 8 inch. 8 inch. With the 8 inch and the height 4 inch. Okay, 4 inch or 3 inch, just like that. Okay, I have it. Now I'm going to design something and put it here, maybe for some occasions. Okay, maybe college t-shirts, something like that, right? Vector design. Give it as vector design. You have so many designs available. Vector design. Look at here. You can choose any of these. For example, look at here. You can choose any of these. Vector design. See, I can choose this one. Copy. You can type it as vector design. Okay, you will have so many designs available. You can take one of the designs which you like very much, right? Vector designs. Other than this area, I want to delete. See, I just selected. Go for inverse. Delete. And right now, I want only the color portion alone. See here, I delete. The other side, right? Okay, keep it here. Okay, I've kept it here, and I put up the logo of the college. Some designed logo or anything can be put here. I kept it at the bottom, right? I kept it at the bottom. I want to type it in a cross way, right? I've typed it top notches, top notcher, top notches, top notches. Check with the spelling. Top notches. Okay, right, fine. Top notcher is correct word. Right now, I will have to design it in a good, maybe a funny letters. Okay. You can design something, a peculiar letter, not an ordinary letter that you every time design. Okay. Maybe some cap. All these things will be given by the one who gives the design. So we shall not bother about it, right? You need not bother about what caption that we need to keep and all that. Okay, they will give you everything. The only thing is that we need to keep it. You see, you can keep it this way, or you can keep it straight. Am I clear? Now, look at here. I will have to use one of the colors here, right? Or some double colors also can go, right? I've taken. Now what do? I have to take everything. I've got everything. I go back to the t-shirt. See, I've got everything here. See, I just reduce it. Don't worry, you need not put it here. As I told you, you need not put it here. Now what do? Is that the color, the white color portion is here. I have to remove that. Select it. Remove that white portion. Then it's okay. Am I clear to you? See? Clear? Right. Okay, am I clear to you? See? You can keep it like this, or you can, if you want to keep it straight, top notch straight, or only the word top notch that can be there. You can even see I put the word here and I put the round here. I can even keep it here. So design it completely and give them. You can just fit it and show them in the t-shirt itself. Then you can give it to them, right? You can make it a little more bigger and keep it. And the top notches can be kept at the bottom, or you can even keep it like this, very much closer. Am I clear? Am I clear? Right. So you can go for any design that, but see the design size, it depends. It depends the size that they give. But the front portion, see this badge design, no, that should be 3 by 3. No, don't go beyond that. Don't go beyond 3 by 3. Okay, just simple logo and an icon. Don't put text there at the front. It won't look good. Okay, at the back, whatever they ask you, you will have to design it in a other than ordinary fonts. Use some stylish fonts. With that, you create a caption and put it, arrange it exactly. Once you arrange it and show them, they will be happy, satisfied. Then you give them the original file as JPG. That's enough. Not with the t-shirt. Not with the t-shirt. Just this alone. See, look at here. Not the t-shirt. Just with the original design. See, like this, you'll have to give. Once they fit it and see. Once everything is okay, then choose it, design it, and give them. Okay. They will print it at their own. Am I clear to you? Only the design is ours. Am I clear? You can use for vector design, and you will have so many models available. Vector design. So many models available. Based on that, it is like creating logo. You create it and just give them. Right? This is about t-shirt design. And the resolution is supposed to be 300, not less than that. 300. Keep that in your mind. And the front should be 3 into 3. 3 inch into 3. Now over to you for any clarifications. Any other clarifications? Any clarification? So I request you to design the front portion and the back portion at your own choice. Just be creative and fit it in a t-shirt and submit as assignment. Am I clear to you? Right now, You have to fit in the t-shirt and submit it. Am I clear to you? But when you go for printers, you need not fit it in the t-shirt because they will be printing it. How to make template? Which template, sir? So which template? Nelson sir, which template you are talking about? Nelson sir, which template you are talking about?
சார் என்ன ட்ரெஸ்ஸுக்கு எல்லாமே நேம் கொடுக்குறோம் அப்படின்னா கீழே பின்னாடி நேம் கொடுப்பாங்க சார். அது வந்து வேற எல்லாத்துக்கும் கொடுக்கறது எப்படி சார்?
I couldn't get it, sir. What are you asking, sir? Getting it? இல்ல ட்ரெஸ்
டீம் டி-ஷர்ட் போடுறோம் அப்படின்னா நேம் வந்து கீழே ஒவ்வொருத்தருக்கும் நேம் தனித்தனியா கொடுப்போம்ல சார்.
That you will have to print it. Yeah, that's what. See, you will have to say, for example, very good. See, you will have to design it. Instead of top notch, you type Vimal Jaral. That's all. Vimal Jaral. That's all. For example, Nelson. Okay, something like that. Okay, you can give it. Am I clear? Instead of this one will come. That's all. Instead of the another any other character or any other letter or caption, you give the name. That's all. It depends on you. That's what I told you. The content is absolutely yours. Whether it is a name or some other, either the people who give you design will give you, or you can decide any of the content on your own. Okay, sir. Sir, have I answered you, sir? Nelson, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Any other clarifications? Can you make it? Can you make it? See, there are beautiful designs are there. Just have a look at t-shirt. T-shirt design on the t-shirt, right? Just the better word is design on the t-shirt. See here. You can even go for funny t-shirts. For example, maybe some information. Maybe COVID-19. For example, if you want to design a t-shirt for COVID-19, how will you design COVID-19? Just 3x3. Go for 3x3 logo. Look at it. 3x3. Okay. Take COVID-19. Okay, take up anything, take up this. Button. I'm just making it and type it as COVID-19 awareness team. COVID-19. Make it a formal font. Front it is formal font. Back side it is informal font. Okay. COVID-19 awareness team. It is up to you to have creativity, right? Okay, I've just designed and take this into a t-shirt. For example, this one I'm taking here in this t-shirt. Delete it. We'll just show them how it looks for. Yeah. It looks bigger and reduce it. You need not fit into the t-shirt, but when you give it to the printer, you just give it as JPG file. But for assignment, you will have to print it, right? Okay. You will have to reduce it to a size. It has to be printed. Okay. And at the back, how can you do it? Let us maintain social distance. Maintain social distance, or let us keep off COVID-19. Okay, keep off COVID-19. Something like that. And you can change this into some maybe COVID. I can make an int mark. I can make an int mark. I just copy, reduce it. See, I am deleting the darker portion. Keep it. I can keep it. Am I clear to you? Okay, keep off COVID-19. Reduce it. Once you design, once you have designed completely, take it up here. It has to be kept in the back of the t-shirt, but I'm doing it at the front just to show you. Okay, something at the back, you can keep it. Keep off COVID-19. Am I clear to you? It can be at the back. Okay, am I clear? Like this, any design, be creative, giving to the content you should be able to design. Okay. And I request you, dear friends, you have to design for the front and back. Front has to be formal design with the logo and the theme or the caption. At the back, some creative designs. Fit it into the front and back of the t-shirt and upload it for the assignment. But when you give it to the shopkeeper for printing, printer, you will have to give it in JPG format and just measure the size of the t-shirt or ask them the size of the letters they want. Accordingly, you have to design. There is no prescribed size for t-shirt design. Okay, but at the front it is to the maximum of 3x3, not more than that. It will look very, very odd there. Okay, now any other clarification? How type in Tamil? See, sir, typing in Tamil, if you have Tamil font, you can very well type, sir. If you have Tamil font, you can very well type, number one. See, for example, I just check whether I have Tamil font or Hindi font, anything you can. See, I have no Tamil font, so I'm not able to type. If you want to copy the Tamil font, look at there. Go to Google Tamil input. Give Google Tamil input. Just give first one. Okay. And click here, see Google Tamil input or Google input. Press here Hindi or any language you can type. See, for time being, I can type Tamil, for example, Tamilar Tirunal. Okay, Pongal, like something like that. See, I just copy this, go back here and paste it. See, it is not coming, right? It doesn't come because it's not available. The font is not available. So what should you do? You have to download the font and you can use it. You can download the font and you can very well use it. Okay, am I clear to you? So please download it and use the font. Okay? Download it.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. But you can use it from here, Google input. Okay, it has to support this. Photoshop has to support. So please download the font. You know how to download the font? See, I just go to Google. Maybe Bhamini is the Tamil font. Okay, Bhamini font download. And you click here, choose any Tamil font or Hindi font. Download it here somewhere. See, it is there. I'm just clicking here to download. Once after downloading, it will be saved there in Photoshop. Then select the font here. See, select the font here, and accordingly this will be, for example, see here Dubai font, some font. It's not here. Am I clear to you? So you will have to choose the font here, then type. You can type it in Come. Do any of you have any other? Thank you. Any other clarification? Okay, since it is time, I just leave you on time. I want you to come on time. I request you, please come on time. Right. So, my dear friends, we will have the attendance. We'll go. We fill the attendance, we can go. So, I request you, tomorrow we will go for the data linking with certificate and for ID card. Data linking with the certificate and ID card. Make clear, linking the data with the certificate and ID card. The attendance link is given in the chat. Please fill the attendance. Sriman, yeah, we'll go for, since it is time, we'll go for t-shirt design. Sorry, banner design. Maybe tomorrow. I will just take it up tomorrow. Certainly, I'll take it up tomorrow. I've already given it, but it is not recorded. My dear friends, kindly fill the attendance. If you have any clarification, you can ask. After filling the attendance, you may leave. Evening also, I will deal with the t-shirt and the badge designing. Tomorrow, it will be linking the data with the certificate. Now you have the list of database and how to bring with one click, how to generate 200, 300 certificates. Okay, am I clear to you? Just with one click. That's what we are going to see tomorrow. Be available. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you. So please don't be absenting yourself tomorrow because we are going to generate certificates linking the data. Clear? Please do not be absenting. Thank you, sister. Thank you, madam. Thank you, friends. Thank you all. Thank you, sir. Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you.